Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Cafe Marnier. Now, for our cocktail today, or Cafe Marnier, we're going to be using Grand Marnier, the world's most famous orange liqueur. It's produced in France, originally founded in 1827 by the Le Postal family, and is made from the cognac base with orange rinds macerated in from the tropical regions of the world. Now, like with any other coffee drink, you're going to start with your coffee in a coffee mug, and then after that, you're going to pour in 2 ounces of your main ingredient, the Grand Marnier. Now, in this case, we're going to use a jigger just for the correct pour. So 1, 2, 3, 4 counts is going to equal up to an ounce. Now, you can feel free to do that twice, or you can just free pour if you're comfortable with that. But don't try to waste alcohol, specifically if you're bartending professionally. Now, as with any other coffee drink that you have, you're going to want to top that off with some whipped cream. Adds to the culinary appeal of the cocktail, and at the same time, is just a great tasting way to, enhance that drink. And there you go, your Cafe Marnier, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.